And we'll take a look inside. Welcome to the Silver Desert. I'm your host Greg, and today we're going to look to see what's inside this security box. Let's start by unlocking this box, and we'll take a look inside. Oh, we got some coins in here. Let's grab a couple of these, we'll set them aside, and we'll talk about them. Alright, I'm going to move this box off to the side here, and we'll move these coins in here. So first off, we've got a 2023 rather peace dollar, and this is one of the newer versions of a classic, and here are the original 1921 peace dollars, and here's the reverse. It's really one of my favorite coins. And here's another one. Now I get these off of eBay, and of course they're ungraded, but they're in pretty good condition. This one's got some toning on the back. Let's look at another one here. And so these are about uncirculated. Definitely not mint state, but not bad. Okay, now let's open up this that I got off of eBay recently. And we'll take a look at this. It's a 1921 silver dollar. And let's see what we got here. There she is. Now I got this one a few weeks back on eBay, and I've been saving it to open with you guys. So it's got some nice toning. And pretty nice. Some people like them with more heavy toning, and some people like them bright and shiny. So if we compare that one to this one, you can see the difference there. And there's a new one versus the old one. Not bad. So now what I like to do is I like to go ahead and use a really strong neodymium magnet and check my coins to see if they're really silver. If they are, the magnet should not stick to them, which it doesn't. And obviously a graded one here should definitely not stick at all. Nope. And then the next test that I like to run is I like to weigh them. So I'll get out my scale here. And we can give these a weigh-in to see just how much they weigh. Of course, now we got plastic on them, so they're gonna weigh different. So we can carefully take one of these out. Try not to touch it. Place it on the scale, and we can see 26.7 grams, which sounds about right. So we'll carefully stick this one back in, and we can weigh another one of these. just to make sure that our purchase was good. And 26.69. And that's probably about right since this one has a little bit more wear to it.
The U.S. peace dollar was made from 1921 to 1928 in Philadelphia. It's 90% silver. Just over 1 million pieces were produced in 1921. The coin weighs in at 26.73 grams, the same as the Morgan dollar, and has a diameter of 38.1 millimeters. The 1921 version differs from other years, as it was struck with a higher relief. This gives the coin deeper contrast. Personally, it's one of my favorites. Notice the spikes on the crown. On the 1921, the spike on the letter E does not extend as far upward. As you can see here on eBay listings, the 1921 peace dollar can be worth a considerable amount of money, especially if it's in a mint state and graded. Well, that's it for this episode. Join me next time as I explore other coins from my collection. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.